Hi, my name is Jordan, and today I'll be showing you how to make a model using K'NEX. For the purpose of this project, I will be making the Eiffel Tower and showing you the various steps I used. The most important thing about K'NEX is that they slip together, unlike Legos, which you would stack. They're also a lot more flexible. The first thing you have to do when building a model is look at the steps. Sometimes the instructions are not very clear when you're going from a diagram. The best thing is trial and error, because eventually you will figure it out, even if it does get frustrating. You can also look up videos of somebody else making it or suggestions online of how to better read it. After you've checked out the various steps, it is important to start grouping the pieces together you need for each step so you can make it easier on yourself. I personally like to pull out smaller pieces of each step to make it a little more manageable than having 100 pieces sitting in front of me, so that's why you'll see smaller projects done before a bigger one is put together. Once you've grouped your various pieces per step, you can start putting each step together and building your model by connecting each step onto each other. Once you have completed piecing all your steps together, you should have your final product as I do here.
These little questions under there, I'll go with the first. And then the second one is your 5 characteristics of numerical learning, right? Is that what it says?
K'NEX are great for modeling as well as hands-on projects. You don't have to model something with steps as I did in this video. You can also do free play or build models something out of a diagram to follow. I hope this video tutorial has been helpful in learning how to use K'NEX.